In the wild, unseen dangers often lie beneath the surface. Take, for example, the risk of hidden animal traps or treacherous pits covered by leaves. A simple strategy is to always test the ground with a long stick before stepping. Additionally, keep an eye out for natural signs like animal tracks, which can guide you toward both hazards and potential food sources. Finally, remember that awareness is your best ally. Scan your surroundings constantly. Equip yourself with these skills and turn yours into a safer adventure in the great outdoors.